Hi guys, let me show you how to make the greatest spicy masala sardines. Sardines are one of South Africa's most popular foods, causing craziness once a year when it arrives during its season in May, June, or July. I managed to get my hands on some fresh ones unexpectedly today, so I'm frying it the very same day for the freshest flavor straight out of the ocean and also to show you how easy it can be done. A lot of people I know love sardines and love the flavor as it only arrives once a year as a delicacy. However, they don't know how to make it or they're afraid. It's not hard, it's really quite easy. So let's go. Here we are. We started off by placing the sardines straight into the sink. This is easier so you can degut and wash them easily and scale them if necessary, but often they don't have any scales. You can see from the bright shiny skin it was caught just this morning. Let's get cooking. First, we start off with garlic. You can use and include a bit of ginger too, but I prefer to use fresh ginger and garlic for this dish. Next is the spicy masala. You can play it by ear depending on your taste, but 2 to 3 teaspoons of chili powder, a bit of turmeric, cumin, and a bit of biryani spice always does the trick. Make the spice mix by also tossing in some ginger and garlic, salt and oil. Mix well, then place the washed and de-gutted sardines on a plate or tray. Marinate each one by filling the center with spice mix and then on both sides. Let it sit for a while to absorb the spices for a better flavor, or simply fry immediately if you just cannot wait. I could not, and I fried this immediately. It was delicious. Sardines are extremely popular in the city of Durban, my city, and many fishermen and populace rush to the coastlines every year to view the humongous shoals and sea life approaching the shore during this time. I myself enjoyed the spectacle when I was much younger with my family and grandparents and parents, and also recently as in my other video. And you can freeze your ginger and garlic for your next sardine batch. Place the sardines one at a time facing away from you. I find placing them in the same direction helps to know which you've turned when you do begin turning. Fry the sardines on low heat for a few minutes on each side until browned. Then turn each one slowly, carefully, not letting oil splash on you because remember it is hot. Once fried, move the sardines to a newspaper which drains well, or a paper towel for the oil to drain out, and enjoy thereafter with a hot cup of steaming tea, buttered bread, or with delicious rice and dal. The fried sardines look and smell amazing. Slivers of white fried fish, absolutely fresh, delicious. Alright guys, for the moment of truth. Delicious. And this is how quick and easy you can try out this recipe at home. Sardines are easy to make. Just try it out one time and you'll see. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe, like and share button for more videos like this. And remember to check out my other video on actually pulling in the shoals of sardines at the Scottsboro shore. That was extremely fun and a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So I hope you get to take a drive down to go there if you can just see how easy and how fun and exciting it is for this annual delicacy and annual craziness. I really love this time of year. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.